Hey there, hikers! Dreaming of an unforgettable night under the stars? Make your camping and backpacking adventures a breeze with our ultimate overnight guide. From essential gear to the perfect camping spot, we've got all the tips and tricks you need to ensure a safe, enjoyable, and memorable experience in the great outdoors. Ready to create lasting memories? Let's hit the trail! 1. Always bring a map and compass, unless you're trying to become one with nature permanently. If you're planning on camping or backpacking overnight on the trail, it's important to know some best practices to ensure a successful and enjoyable trip. One of the most essential tips is to always bring a map and compass with you, unless, of course, you're trying to become one with nature permanently. While it may seem old school in today's world of GPS and smartphones, technology can fail you when you're in the middle of nowhere. Trust us, you do not want to be lost trying to find your way back to civilization. Plus, a map and compass can make for a great impromptu game of navigation charades with your camping buddies. So bring them along and avoid permanently joining the wildlife. 2. Leave no trace. Pack out what you pack in or risk being haunted by the ghost of Smokey the Bear. Okay, first things first. Don't be that guy who leaves a trail of trash behind. We're not talking about candy wrappers and empty water bottles. We're talking about the whole shebang. Food scraps, toilet paper, the works. Trust us, you don't want to be haunted by the ghost of Smokey the Bear. That dude takes his job seriously, and if he catches you leaving your garbage on the trail, he'll follow you wherever you go, silently judging you. So if you don't want to spend the rest of your life being followed around by a spectral bear in a Smokey the Bear hat, pack out what you pack in. Your fellow campers and the environment will thank you for it. 3. Don't forget the essentials. Tent, sleeping bag, bug spray, and lots of chocolate. After all, a well-fed hiker is a happy hiker. When planning a camping or backpacking trip, it's important to remember the essentials. You know, things like a tent to keep you dry, a sleeping bag to keep you warm, and bug spray to keep mosquitoes from making you their evening snack. But let's not forget the most important essential of all, chocolate. Lots and lots of chocolate. Because let's face it, a well-fed hiker is a happy hiker. And what better way to fuel your adventure than with the sweet, delicious goodness of your favorite candy bar? So don't forget to add a stash of chocolate to your backpacking checklist. Your taste buds and your hiking buddies will thank you. To conclude, camping and backpacking overnight on the trail can be an incredibly enriching and rejuvenating experience, provided you keep a few best practices in mind. From researching the terrain and weather conditions, to packing ahead of time and carrying sufficient water, food, and emergency supplies, every step matters. Following leave. No-trace principles like properly disposing of waste, avoiding campfire mishaps, and staying on designated trails can ensure a positive impact on the environment. By being responsible and respectful of nature and other hikers, you can make the most of your outdoor adventure and cherish the memories for years to come.